Good morning from Oklahoma to everyone. Yeah, so this stood, there's two of them right here, they stood. And then I lost five. I lost one of my best five birds. Two strawberries, one blue bar, two blue checkers. This is what we're working with now. I still got the brother, and I'm working with these ones right here. So some of these haven't go out, but some of them went out. This one went out and came right back in by itself. That's gonna be my number one. That one came back. That one came back. So out of 10 birds, 5 came back. 1, 2, 3, and the 2 out there. 4, 5. Pretty nice fucking coop. Look at this shit. Very expensive coop. This shit, these panels right here, they $30. I had about 10. Window. The screen, $80 a piece, so you do the math. The bricks. And still we're not done.